Alright guys, today I want to show you quickly my win against Swedish FIDE master in RTU Blitz, just a game which apparently is like first line moves, and I just had a discussion with my friend saying that these GMs, they do a lot of this studying, and whoever is best at memorizing moves, he will win. And it appears that you can still win without memorizing a lot of moves and still play like by big theory. Okay, so he played c4. Again, this is standard playing against lower rated opponents like me this time. Played d6. So he can play d4, transpose into just queen's gambit, or he can play e4, and there's going to be some French. And he played knight c3, insisting on playing English opening. I played knight f6. This is played old elite level right now, so they played the c4 move, which he played, and I played d5. I wasn't really sure. I thought that I made a mistake here, but it appears that it's the right move. He captured, I captured back, and he played e5. So I don't want to play knight to d7 or go to g8. I played, I calculated I have to do this, even though it like loses a pawn to this move, giving check, and I have to play this. But this position is like much better for black actually. So ancient says so. I wouldn't say that, but if you play like carefully, then black is just better. So he saw it, and he played d4, solidifying his center, and he's not afraid that I capture here to take with the b pawn and have very solid center and space advantage. Played bishop b4, again the ancient move. Just developing, trying to play castles, queen a4. So queen a4, I thought it's a mistake, but it's an ancient move. I have only one move, knight c6, defending the bishop and protecting king from check. And here he made a mistake. He played knight to e2, like just playing safe. But he should have continued with bishop b5, creating this tension and maybe attacking the bishop. If I play castles, then he takes my knight. And so okay, that's a long story. He played knight to e2, reinforcing, and I play castles, again the ancient move. I just want to move my king to safety and protect and start offense. Yeah, my pieces are actually very active, and he didn't understand that I'm already better. He played f3. Now I play f3, and like he thought something like this, I guess, is possible. Yeah, then probably he's even better, but he was playing against me, so I play queen h4. He can't go to d1 because I will fork his king and rook, so he has to play this. It kind of loses a piece, but I wanted to lose a piece intentionally. Yeah, he cannot take back because I win his exchange, so he took with the knight, and I just took here. And he has some issues. Yeah, he has issue with this knight, because if I capture the knight with check, then I will win his queen, so his queen is kind of in trouble. And he also have problem with this rook because of this like triangle problem. So he played backwards with the queen c2, and I just took the pawn, and it's danger move. Yeah, I don't want anything. What happened? I don't want to I want to bring more forces because his king is trapped in the center, and this pawn is a big threat. So he played bishop to e2, I guess, just defending the pawn, and I just calmly played rook e8, again danger move. So I have a lot of threats. Knight f3 is a threat, knight to d3 is a threat, and his king cannot run away because this thing is annoying. He cannot go here because of this mate, and so he played I guess bishop to d2, and after knight f3 he took and he resigned down a queen. Yeah, because his position is just horrible. I give check and I win this one, and I give check here, and his king is in trouble, and I actually have like extra material, so he resigned. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.